Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to make your propaganda post for Instagram. Now, if you don't decide to use the back of your assignment sheet to color it out by hand, here are your options. The first option is Adobe Spark. Now you can use the link on Google Classroom to get to it, but once you get to Adobe Spark, you need to log in like we did last time. Okay, you can log in with Google. It's very, very easy. Once you log in, it will take you to a page that looks like this. You may have different assignments down here. Those are the ones I've done so far. The first thing you need to do is click the plus button so that you can see what you can create. We want to create a post because it's going to be an Instagram post, and then it says pick from a template or start from scratch. We do not want to pick from a template today. That is going to make your life harder. So you want to start from scratch, and then it's going to ask you for your slogan or for your main idea that we've talked about in class. So my slogan is going to be every child deserves an education. This is also where you're going to put your hashtag. So make sure you put your hashtag. Mine's going to be I stand with Malala, but yours needs to be something else. Okay, you can put hashtag and then whatever you would like. Remember that your hashtag should have no spaces, just like when you post regularly. When you're done writing in your slogan and your hashtag, you'll need to come down here and make sure you've selected Instagram. We don't want Facebook, we don't want Twitter, we don't want poster or a slide. We also don't want custom. You want Instagram. Okay, then you're going to click continue. It's going to bring up your Instagram post, okay? So as you can see, my slogan and my hashtag are here in the middle. You can then go ahead and go over here to palette. You can choose what kind of color scheme you want, and as you can see, it's changing as I select different options. You can choose whatever kind of palette you would like. It doesn't matter. Whatever you think looks best is going to be what's on there, because again, this is your Instagram post. So you're making this. So once you find one that you like, let's say I love this one. Okay, once you find something you like, you're going to take it and drag it down to the bottom, then make it fit nicely here at the bottom, because again, all Instagram posts, the words are at the bottom. Okay, then you need to pick your picture. It will insert a random photo from its memory for you in here. You need to change that. So you're going to click on the photo, and then these options will appear. You're then going to replace this photo with a photo you've found. So on the Google Classroom, we've linked the public domain pictures website that we use and have used before. You need to put in a search category. I put in smart women. Do not use the ad ones because those are ones that are copyrighted. Let's say I decide I like this one. I'm going to drag that to my desktop so that it can be saved on my desktop. Once you have it on your desktop, you're going to take it and hit replace right here. Then you can see you can also search for photos in Adobe Spark. It will bring up some options if you want. We don't need any of these other options down here. We want to either select find free photos and get one from there, or you want to upload. I want to upload, and then I'm going to click my photo. There it is, and I'm going to click open. As you can see, it's going to put my photo right there. There's my slogan with my hashtag. Here's my photo that I like. Then I'm going to come over here to my layout, make sure everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and have you change it to the suggested and click this one with the bottom border because that's more like Instagram. Then you're going to come over here and click on the border and bring it down so that we have a small words and big picture, just like on Instagram. Okay, once you've decided that you love your background, you love your palette, you love the design, everything looks great, you're going to come over here to download. Okay, make sure you download it to your computer. It will download, it'll bring it up, it'll show you that you have it on your computer. Make sure you downloaded it to your computer just in case. Okay, this is a backup in case for some reason yours won't submit to me. Then you're going to hit share. Make sure your title is your slogan. I'm going to have you go ahead and change your title to your last name, not my last name, your last name. Okay, your last name and then Instagram. Then you're going to click a category. We are going to click education. Make sure this says your name here, and then click create link. It's going to bring you a link. You're going to get this link, you're going to hit copy, and then you're going to paste that into our Google Classroom assignment. Okay, if you have questions, please email me, and I will see you in class. Watch the next video for your second option on how to create your Instagram video.